Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Previously, I created an Reflex yoga focusing on the upper lymphatic system. In this video, we will focusing on the lower part system. Let's come into the standing position. Feet apart. Micro bend your knees. Relax your hands with palm facing front and close your eyes. Relax your shoulders down. Then focus on your breath. And slowly open your eyes. Bend more your knees. Stomach in, hands on your waist. Rotate your hip in one circular motion for 10 times. This helps to lubricate our hip joints, keeping them flexible. Then reverse rotation for 10 times. Bring your feet in line with your hip, hands still on your waist. Then inhale, stand on your toes. Exhale down. Inhale, heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Then hands up. Hold them together. Turn to the left, back, and turn to the right. Release your hands down. Heels up and down one by one to stretch the hamstring. And slowly stop. Next, we will need these two therapeutic balls. Orange color is softer and green color is harder. Choose which one you prefer. Since I will stand on the ball, I chose the harder one. Stand closer with the wall, with face facing to the wall. Let's start with your left foot. Roll the ball on your left foot. Both hands touch the wall to support your body. Then locate the ball under your heel. You can choose to let your right foot on the floor or bring the right foot up, which gives more pressure. Stay for 3 to 5 deep breaths. Then slowly come down. Roll your foot. Locate it under the middle part of the foot. All this would feel like you are giving a self-foot reflexology massage. Remember to always focusing on your breath. Feel the way you are breathing and try to breathe slower than usual. Roll your foot. Position the ball under the ball of the foot area and put your heel down. This zone corresponds to the chest. You can use your right foot to rest on top of the left foot for more pressure. Roll the ball. Now let's take the ball to roll the top of the foot. Don't forget the toes too. Let's switch to the right foot. Roll your right foot on the ball to warm up. Then position the ball to your heel. Slowly up, or leave your left foot on the floor with heel up, or to the top of the right foot. Breathe deeper and slower and relax. Feel your body. You might feel your body is getting warmer because of the circulation happening. Roll the ball. Then go to the middle part and slowly come up and breathe. Slowly down, roll again. This time to the ball of the foot area. Heel on the floor and breathe. Roll. Then top of the foot. Don't forget the toes. Let's put the ball between your feet. Grab the ball with your feet. Then inhale, lift your heels up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And this time, put the ball at the back of the eye of the ankle. Grab the ball. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. If you experience itchiness, it's okay. It is a sign that there is a rush of circulation happening around. If you don't, it's fine too. Now let's sit down on the mat. Take 2 therapeutic balls. Roll around the both of the back of the knees. Then hold them with your legs and hug your knees. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Continue focusing on your breath. Slowly release your hands. Take out the balls, put them down. Then join your feet together for butterfly pose. Check your sitting position. Pull up your hips flares out so that you can sit comfortably. Grab your feet, then start moving your knees up and down. You may close your eyes if you wish, but if you feel dizzy, open your eyes. and keep doing it. I will let you know when to stop. Slowly stop and slowly open your eyes. And take one ball. You can choose either harder or softer type. Put both outer side of the feet on top of the ball. And take your time to balance them. Inhale, exhale. Let's lying down. Roll back off your knees with the balls, then grab them. Lift both of the knees up and start to move your knees back and forth one by one. And now move the feet side to side. Slowly stop and move the balls out. Let's turn over, lying down on your stomach. Put the ball around your hip joints area. Revert to the picture here. There are a lot of inguinal lymph nodes. Let's stimulate them. Remember to focus on your breath. Inhale deeper and exhale slower. You might feel some warmer tingling sensation at this pose. Change to softer ball or remove the ball if you feel pain. Stay. Slowly turn your body slightly side. Take out the ball and breathe. Now let's take one ball, put it below your navel or belly button. Close your eyes and breathe. Let's move the ball up to exactly at your navel or belly button. Breathe. And slowly move the ball out. Let's turn to our back and lying down. Bend your knees. Put the ball under your hips and stay. Move your hips side to side. Give some gentle massage around your glutes. Then stop. Now move the ball slightly up. Locate them at the upper part of your glutes. Then start move your hips side to side again. If the ball's out from that position, correct their location again. This time, let's working on our lower back. Position the ball at your lower back. Keep some distance in between. We don't want to press the spine area. This feels so good to relieve lower back pain and stimulate circulation around the kidneys. Stay. Breathe. You can keep bending the knees or straight your legs. Now slowly bend both knees, then move your hips side to side. Give some massage. Take the balls out. Next, we're going to put the ball at the base of the skull. Choose the softer or harder ball. This area is so relaxing to stimulate them. Move your chin side to side slowly and smile. Feel the sensation. Let's roll the side of your head. When we massage our head, it makes all the thoughts inside the head just disappeared. Then front part of your ears. Slowly roll up. And slowly stop. Let's end this with few minutes of Savasana. Namaste. Remember to drink a lot of water. It helps to flush the toxins out from the body after the practice. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope you enjoy this session. Until the next one.